Good evening, students, and I welcome you. What we have been talking with you, students, some of the important questions were being discussed on the solid state. What I was talking, students, important questions. There are few important points about the solids which will be asked and are being repeatedly asked in the paper, students. You are aware of, student, one very important thing which I want to talk is what is the relationship between, one question will be there in the paper on this, what is the relationship between edge length and radius of the atom. देखो, what is the edge length or what is the different radius? What do you mean by radius of the atom? We said that the atoms are spheres, they have a radius, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then you have unit cell, student, and this is a unit cell. If I consider it a cube, this is a, this is a, this is a, this is the unit cell, students. This is the edge length
Yes,
is
sir.
a, edge length is a, student, and r is the radius. Can you tell me, student, for simple cubic unit cell, what is the relationship between a and r?
Sir, for simple cubic, it is A is equal to 2R.
All right, very important, student. If you forget, you should know that in simple cubic what happens, 8 atoms are at the 8 corners.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the situation like this? They are joining. They are joining. So what is this? A. This is R. This is R. So this is very simple. A is equal to 2R. Okay. What is the story when I say BCC, student? In BCC, what happens? In BCC, what is the relationship, student?
In BCC, A is equal to 4 by root 3 into R.
Okay, very important. A is equal to 4 by root 3 R, student. You have seen the opposite of the diagonal. These are not touching, but the opposite of the diagonals are touching. The center, there is an atom in the center in the BCC. We have shown you the diagram of that in our lecture.
Yes, sir.
Very important, student. In FCC, A is equal to
To 2 root 2 R.
2 root 2 R. One question is expected out of this, a numerical. A numerical. One question, one numerical has been asked repeatedly, student, in these cases. You already know for, if you, how easy it is to calculate for FCC. You have, what do you have in FCC? This is the diagonal. You have this, and this. So you know R, 4R, and this is your triangle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
When we see that A, B, C, student, Pythagoras theorem. So this is 4R the square, this is my A, this is my A. So 2 root 2R, how I remember, A is equal to 2R, A is equal to 2 root 2R BCC, and A is equal to 4 by root 3R FCC, BCC.
BCC.
If what is important, student, we can't do this derivations in the exam. We must learn them so that we will be able to do the answers fast, student, fast, student. Question is on the screen, student. Aluminium crystallizes in FCC structure. Atomic radius of metal is 125 picometer. What is the length of the side of the unit cell? This question was given in the paper, student, CBSE. 2 marks. No, easy 2 marks. No. What is the answer?
It is FCC, so it will be A is equal to root 2 R. It will be uh, approximately 354 picometers.
Aluminium, how will you write in the paper? Aluminium FCC. A is equal to
2 root 2 R.
2. What you are given?
We are given R,
R is how much?
125 picometers.
Okay. Then 2 root 2 into
to
125.
1.125.
How much is that? 250 into root 2 value you know already.
1.414.
Okay. So approximately we can give. There will be four choices, students. Now let me tell you. Nowadays the trend is like this that there will be four choices. ठीक है? You have
Yes,
to
sir.
tick mark which is the correct choice. Multiple choice. MCQ. We will do some questions on that. Okay. Calculate the packing efficiency for a crystal for simple cubic. What is the packing efficiency, students?
For simple cubic, the packing efficiency was 52.4%.
Here he has asked for derivation, student, because this question was given in the CBSE.
Okay.
You know how to derive?
Yes, sir.
What I told you, what is important? One is packing fraction. Another is packing efficiency. And third is percentage of void. ठीक है? Percentage of void space
Yes,
or
sir.
void efficiency. Anything can be there. How did you calculate packing fraction? What is packing fraction? Definition.
Sir, packing fraction was the fraction of space occupied by the particles.
Atoms in the unit cell. So the number of atoms per unit cell into volume of one atom divided by total volume of the unit cell is packing fraction. Multiply by 100, you get the packing efficiency.
Yes, sir.
Question could be packing fraction or packing efficiency. These will be two different values. Four choices. Got my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Silver Silver crystallizes with FCC. Each side of the unit length is 409 picometer. What is the radius of atom of silver? Again, such question, student. Important. That means this question is important. We are expecting one of such question in large number of papers they are being asking. These three formulas very, very important, student. Important formulas. And what is the nearest distance between simple cubic?
D is equal to 2R.
D is equal to 2R means what? In simple cubic. D is equal to 2R is equal to A. Then what is the in nearest neighbor distance in FCC? What is this value? Nearest neighbor. Their nearest neighbor for FCC is these ones. These ones. They are touching. They are touching. Student, this is the diagonal. What is the value of the diagonal here? Root a square plus a root 2a divided by 2. What will be that? A by root 2. Sometimes questions can't be put in this way, student.
Okay.
And in BCC, nearest neighbor distance, student.
In
In
BCC,
BBC, the center is touching the corner of the cube.
it was D is equal to root 3 by 2A.
So D is equal to root 3 by 2a. Important. They can put any type of question. There will be four choices. The distance of the nearest neighbor. Then we have to find the correct answer. Student, doubt comes in our mind. But if doubt comes, we should know how to solve them. How to solve them, student. That is our point. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And usually 1 picometer 10 minus 12 meter, student, which is equal to 10 minus 10 centimeter. Why do we give this value, student? This will be useful in solving the density problem. What is the formula of the density?
Density is Z into M upon A cube into Na.
What m is this?
M is the mass.
Here a cube. This what m is this? This is molar mass. So the why I give this, because the a dimension he will give you, a dimension he will give you in picometer, but density you are finding in gram centimeter inverse. See, the units will be important in such cases. Conversions will be required. So we have to be careful of the units, student. Units of this. You have learned about the defects or imperfections in solid, students.
Yes, sir.
Imperfection in solids. What are stoichiometric defects, students?
Sir, stoichiometric defects are those defects which do not disturb the stoichiometry of the solid.
Stoichiometric defects. They do not disturb, ठीक है, the stoichiometry of the solid. They are also called
Intrinsic defects or thermodynamic defects.
intrinsic or thermodynamic defects, students. And what are the types?
For non-ionic, they are vacancy and interstitial. And
Covalent
for,
compounds.
yes, sir.
What is the meaning of a vacancy defect, student?
So vacancy defect is a type of defect in which some of the lattice sites are vacant in the crystal.
Why it happens, students?
Sir, it happens when the substance is heated.
Heated. What will happen when you heat? The energy, thermal energy increases, and some of the constituent particles are lost, student, are lost. So the result of this will be, what will happen to the density?
Density will decrease.
Decrease. There will be decrease in density, students. And the second type are called, student,
Interstitial.
interstitial. What will happen in this, student?
Sir, in this, some constituent particles occupy the interstitial sites in the crystal.
Then if the size will be small, student, they will go. They will go. And what will happen to the density in these cases?
It will increase.
Density increases, student. What will happen in the case of the ionic solids, student? What type of defects you are seeing?
In case of ionic, there are Frankel defect and Schottky defect.
What is a Frankel defect, students?
Sir, in Frankel defect, the smaller ion, which is the cation, is dislocated from its normal position to an interstitial position.
This can be also called dislocation or
Dislocation
interstitial
defect.
defect, student.
Yes, sir.
Give me examples. They will ask you in the paper.
Sir, for Frankel defect, there are AgCl, AgBr, ZNS.
What is the condition?
Sir, condition is that there should be a large difference in the size of cation and anion.
Condition. Every time I write a reaction, every time I do chemistry student, I discuss that there will be condition of something. Conditions are important everywhere. So we must learn the conditions of the different type of definitions, concepts, or whatever we are learning. Especially in chemistry, it is very important. Change of condition will result in change of the products in organic chemistry. You have seen student very clearly. So there is a large difference between the size of cations and anions. That is why the smaller ones will slip into interstitial defect. And what is Schottky?
Sir, in Schottky defect, it is a type of vacancy defect in ionic solids in which the number of missing anions and cations are the same.
Same. Because the electrical neutrality must be maintained, student, what will happen to the density?
So density will decrease.
Decrease. Example.
Sir, example will be NaCl, AgBr, KCl.
So AGVR will show both.
Yes, sir.
Okay, important point. What are impurity defects, students?
Sir, impurity defects are impurity defects are those defects in which the vacancies are created due to the addition of allovalent ions.
Example.
Example will be NaCl and SrCl2.
What will happen then? How many vacancies will be created?
For one Sr2 plus ion, two Na plus ions will leave their positions.
Then what is the number of cationic vacancies?
Number of cationic vacancies will be equal to the number of Sr2 plus ions.
Okay. The Na plus and Sr is 2 plus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here is the story. If I add CdCl2 in AgCl, this is plus 1, this is plus 2. Okay? Here again, same story will happen, student. So this is important. What is the meaning of non-stoichiometric defect, students?
So non-stoichiometric defects are those defects which alter the stoichiometry of the solid.
What is a metal excess defect?
Um, Metal excess defect was metal excess defect is a type of defect which is exhibited mainly by the alkali halides in which there is excess of metals.
When? What
So
is the condition?
in this the vacant anionic sites will be occupied by
I
unpaired
said what condition is there? When it will happen?
when the crystals are heated in the
Heated.
atmosphere of
Then
the
what will happen? What are F centers, student?
F centers are the anionic sites which are occupied by unpaired electrons.
Unpaired electrons. What is the color of the crystal of NaCl?
Yellow color
Question is why they impart yellow color, student. That was the question. ठीक है?
due to the presence of F center.
ठीक है? And what is the color in LiCl
LiCl is pink.
and potassium chloride?
It is violet.
What is metal excess defect? Due to due to presence of extra cations.
It happens when the substance is heated. So the excess of the metal in the so there will be an excess of metal in the crystal. Uh,
What is the color change when ZNO is heated?
it changes from white to yellow.
White to yellow. Why? What is the reason for the change in color?
Because, sir, when zinc oxide is originally white in color, when it is heated, it will lose oxygen and excess of zinc will be there in the crystal, so it will turn yellow.
Color is due to what I am saying. I am not asking what will happen. Question is different. Reasoning and asserting type of questions will involve such student thinking.
Excess of zinc 2 plus ions will move to the interstitial sites.
The color is not due to Zn2 plus ions. Color is never due to these cations, students. Then color is due to what, student?
It will be due to electrons moving to the
Electrons,
neighboring
student. These
interstitial.
electrons will impart the color. Electrons absorb the visible light radiation, student. And what will happen? When they absorb some wavelength, they will transmit others. I am wearing red shirt means what? It is transmitting the red, absorbing others. Or
Yes,
what
sir.
color I see, student? Anything. All the wavelengths are not absorbed, student, by any substance. Black body radiation only. They are saying they absorb all the, but there is no perfect 100% such body. You have seen in physics, they talk about that. Okay. Anyway, this is just all revision and important question answer session, student. It has been found that the formula FFE is 0.930. Explain. How will you explain this, student?
Sir, it is due to metal deficiency defect.
Metal deficiency defect. What it means, students?
Sir, metal deficiency defect is a type of defect in which there is a deficiency of metal in the crystal. For example, in case of ferric oxide, FeO, the original composition of Fe in FeO is 0.95, but it can range from Fe 0.930 to Fe 0.960.
Why? That was a question. Why it became not?
Some of the Fe2 plus cations are missing from the crystal, and
If
there
this is
then
FeO, then this is plus 2 and minus 2.
yes, sir. So there will be some
But
loss
then
of.
there is a missing of Fe2 plus ions, which
So
are
there will
taken
be.
by
Yes, sir. So
Fe3 plus ions.
Fe3 plus ion. So
So then
person.
what will happen? That they will disturb the stoichiometry because the charges have to be balanced, student. The required number of Fe3 ions will take over in order to balance the charges. To balance the charges, student, positive charge, negative charge must be balanced. So you see here non-stoichiometric type of defect, students. Okay, what type of non-stoichiometric point defect is responsible for the pink color of lithium chloride, students?
Metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies.
Okay, metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies. One mark you are given. What type of stoichiometry point defect is shown by NaCl?
Stoichiometry is impurity defect.
Stoichiometric is a stoichiometric defect.
Stoichiometric, it also shows Schottky defect.
NaCl, ठीक है? Is an ionic compound. Ionic compound. What is that?
Schottky defect.
NaCl. Okay. Read everything very carefully. Every line, every word has a meaning. So he have mentioned stoichiometry. If it says non-stoichiometry, then what will be the answer? Here it was non-stoichiometry. See the point? If I say
Yes, sir.
non-stoichiometry defect, what is that then? What will be the answer if I change the question?
For non-stoichiometry, it will be metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies.
Okay. You understood why I said this?
Yes, sir.
Because the students are not reading the complete question. I said ki every word will be speaking something. Don't go fast, students. because there are reasoning and assertive questions. They require brain thinking and attention, careful observation of each and every word. Student, I will change the word, the answer will change. You will come home and say, okay, my answer is right. But then something is there. Okay, got my point.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Why we are doing all this, student. My purpose is to tell you that where we are committing mistakes, student, where are the errors, and we should be prepared for it. How will you distinguish between following pairs of terms, tetrahedral and octahedral words? What is the difference between the two?
Tetrahedral and octahedral voids. A tetrahedral void is formed by joining the centers of four spheres, that is tetrahedron, and an octahedral void is formed by an octahedron.
Okay, check it out again once. All I mean, certain definitions could be there in the paper. Why do we bring definition? Because they ask sometimes. Direct definitions are also asked. Okay? So they can
Okay.
put a question on that. Your answer should be based on NCRT.
Okay.
Okay. Crystal lattice and unit cell, again, that is a definition.
Yes, sir.
You already know. What is your answer for crystal lattice? What do you mean by lattice, student?
Uh, it was crystal lattice is actually it is a collection of points representing the location of uh, motifs in the crystal.
Okay, check it out. Unit cell.
Unit cell is the basic.
The smaller cell which
The
on
smallest cell.
repeating in three dimension will generate the entire crystal lattice. It is a three-dimensional arrangement of the constituent particles, and that is generated from a unit cell. Next question. Account for the following students. Schottky defects lower the density of the related solids.
Shortcut effects lower the density of the related solids. So shortcut effects lower the density of the solids because it is a vacancy defect in which the number of anions and cations missing are equal. So it will decrease the density of the
That means the
solid.
charge is to be balanced. Then next question. Conductivity of silicon increasing on doping it with phosphorus. Why, students?
Uh, Increases on doping with. Yes.
What is a doping, student?
They when silicon is doped with phosphorus, it will form N-type semiconductors
There,
because
there will be excess
excess of electrons.
extra
They will become
electrons,
electron-rich impurities.
so that it will increase the N type. There are two types of which we told you doping, N type and
P-type,
P type. This belongs to which group?
N-type,
Group, which group is phosphorus
group 15,
or what group is silicon?
group 14.
Okay, group 14 and phosphorus is group 15. Give me example of P type doping.
Uh, P-type doping is when silicon is doped with group 13 elements like boron or aluminium.
Boron, group 13. So, I mean, this is how we revise the things. Because the question could be changed in the paper. This was asked somewhere. They will change it. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
And they can just play with it here and there. Okay. He says how the conductivity of a intrinsic semiconductor. What is a intrinsic semiconductor, student?
Intrinsic semiconductor. The substances like silicon or germanium which are in the pure state,
Pure.
they are known as intrinsic semiconductors.
Their conductivity is very low. So how do we improve their conductivity for use in electronic devices?
Their conductivity can be improved by the process of doping.
Which we have
Uh,
already told you, N type and P type of doping,
P-type, yes,
student.
sir.
Question number 13, students. Numerical.
An element with density 2.8.
2 marks numerical will be there. Density numerical are expected, student, in the paper. This is a favorite question for the exam, student. You can easily get 2 marks.
Yes, sir.
Density, one of the question is coming on density, and we have already told you relationship
The
between
molar
edge
mass
length and R.
measurement. 7.82 into MA is by 4 over 9.
It is good. He has already given the edge length in
Yes.
a centimeter, so no units are required here.
Sir, final answer is coming as 27 gram per mole.
FCC, what is the value of Z? 4.
4.
Then what is given?
A is
Density.
given, density is given 2.8 gram per centimeter cube.
And A value is also given in centimeter, very easy then. Na is given, then all you have to calculate M. So straight question, no problem here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Sir, one question is coming in the paper on density. Till now, they are coming every year. Got my point? So we should,
Yes, sir.
because how many variables are there? Constant values and other values. We have to be sure. Molar mass is a constant for a particular element, but then Avogadro number is constant, so they will vary. A, Z, and A and R relationship we have already told you. A and R. Important. This is the most important point. A equal to 2R and A equal to 2 root 2R and A equal to 4 by root 3R.
Yes, sir.
Now we remember. Now we remember. Okay. What type of magnetism is shown by a substance if the magnetic moments of the domains are arranged in the same direction? What do you mean by domains, students? Magnetic properties. Let me tell you, what do you mean by magnetic properties, students? Magnetic properties. What type of magnetic properties we are studying, student? Tell me first. Tell me what.
Paramagnetism.
First, you are saying paramagnetism. Tell me the condition.
Paramagnetism will be, it is weakly attracted by the
I said
magnetic field.
condition. What is the condition?
Uh, the condition will be they are magnetized, मतलब magnetic field in the same direction.
That is not the condition. You are talking of experiment. I am saying what is the condition. Think more. Unpaired electron.
One or more unpaired electrons. अच्छा,
What
yeah.
I'm
Okay.
what I see that we have to know, understand everything. I'm decoding each and every word. Student, be careful. Pay attention to each and every word will be a question in the paper, because the trend of the paper is reasoning, asserting, and objective type. Student, they will ask very specific things. You may be satisfied with more than one answer, but only one will be correct. What is the story of the electron, student? This is an electron. You are saying electron is spinning around its axis. It is
Yes, sir.
spinning around its axis. You are saying spinning around its axis. So when the electron spins around its axis, how many types of spins are there? How many types of spins are there?
Uh, uh, Two types of spins will be there. One is clockwise, other will be anti-clockwise.
One is a magnetic moment, orbital magnetic moment. ठीक है? Other is a spin because it's a charged particle. So charged particle will move, it will generate a current, student. Therefore, it has a magnetic moment. So permanent spin and aerobatic magnitude of this magnetic moment, ठीक है, is very small. What we call in terms of what are the units? Bohr magneton. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen whenever there is presence of one or more unpaired electron, student? What is happening? Electron behaves like a bar magnet. Bar magnet. In physics, we said bar magnet mean it has a pole, student, north and south. Right? The
Yes, sir.
electron is spinning this side, this side, this side, this side. So what will happen? And supposing this north-south, student, when it is spinning in this direction, when it is spinning in the other direction, what will happen to the bar magnet? South-north. See the story? This is a, in the magnetic fields are equal and opposite, what happens then? They will attract. They will attract. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if they are all like this, north, south, north, south, what will happen? What is happening? If I am saying, or in a more way, let me tell you what I am trying to say. Their spin is same, student, same direction. There will be
Hmm.
repulsion. So they have a definite spin here. But if they are equal and opposite, what happens? They will cancel out. There is a cancellation, student. See, then unpaired electrons are there. What will happen? They will be attracted by the magnetic field. That is called example of this.
Example of paramagnetism were O2, Fe3 plus, chromium 3 plus.
They have asked this question in the paper, student. Fe3 plus.
Plus chromium 3 plus.
And what other magnetic properties you, what is the diamagnetism?
Dimagnetism.
The equal and opposite spins, they cancel out each other. There is no net, student, alignment of the magnetic moments in this case. So what will happen? They will repel. They will repel, student. Examples.
NaCl, H2O.
They are paired, student, paired electrons. So all electrons are paired. There are no unpaired electrons. Pairing of electrons cancel the magnetic moments. Magnetic moment is cancelled out. One is an equal and opposite students. That is why when the after the electrons were singly occupied, when we paired them, student, first singly, then we paired them. Why they can't be like this in the same orbital? There will be strong repulsions. Already electrostatic repulsion is there. But with opposite spins, what happens? There is a magnetic field, student. If magnetic force of attraction is more than electrostatic force of repulsion, then they can live together. That's some amount of physics I'm talking about. Diamagnetism. Okay. What is the third one? Ferro.
Ferromagnetism.
What is ferromagnetism? What happens in ferromagnetism, student?
Strongly attracted by the magnetic
So
field and
each
they are
tiny
permanent.
magnet is like a domain, and when all these are aligned, student, in the same direction, what is the question here? What type of magnetism shown by substance in magnetic moments of domains are arranged in the same direction, student? Same direction. Then what will happen? There will be strong effect of that, and they may, if they may get permanently magnetized. What do we call this as? Ferro.
Ferromagnetism.
Examples they have asked many times in the paper, student.
Uh, it will be Fe, nickel, cobalt.
Can it be become a permanent magnet? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are the substances, student. If we place them in a magnetic field, all the domains get oriented in the magnetic field and a strong magnetic effect is produced, and they may persist when magnetic field is removed. And this can become, this question was given, which can become a permanent magnet. Ferromagnetic substances can be permanently magnetized. Which one? Ferromagnetic substance. Everything lasts for some, there is no 100% what we say, you know about it. But what we mean, in large number of electronic devices, magnets are required. They create that by passing electric current. They are generating it, and they use ferromagnetic substances, which you are saying, iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, CrO2. They can ask example also, and usually ask the example. Got my point?
Yes,
Example is
sir.
more important in the paper. They will give an example of. Therefore, at least we should know the names which are given in our book. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is anti-ferromagnetism? Anti-ferromagnetism. What do you mean by anti-ferromagnetic, student?
They will get oriented in the opposite direction.
All there are
Uh,
domains, student, but unequal number. ठीक है?
okay.
Their domains are oppositely oriented. ठीक है? They will show anti they will show anti-ferromagnetism. Anti-ferromagnetism. Their domains will be what? Anti-ferromagnetism. Here, cancelled, cancelled. Example, give the name of the substance which shows anti-ferromagnetism, student. Question was given in one of the paper. What is the example?
MnO.
MnO. So you have a complete revision and you are making notes, students, noting
Yes,
down
sir.
everything, because we will forget till the exam comes. Ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism. What is ferromagnetic substances, students?
Uh, in this, the domains are aligned in parallel and anti-parallel direction in unequal numbers.
Unequal number. He asked a question, give an example of ferromagnetic substance.
Um, Ferromagnetic. It was
Ferromagnetic substance. Example, student. Example is more important.
Fe3O4. Then second one
Usually
was
they are ferrites.
ZnFe2O4.
Okay, at least one or two names should be known to a student. These are the iron ores. You are aware of magnetites, ferrites. What are ferrite student? MgFe2O4. At least one to two names should be known to us. They usually ask the names of these examples. They will ask the examples. You can give the examples of the student. This you can do the density problem, no problem. Silver
Yes, sir.
crystallizes in edge length is given and density you can say primitive cell you know student. What is the coordination number of each type of iron in rock site crystal structure?
What is the coordination number of each type of ions and rocks or type of crystal structure? Um, एक rock salt मतलब NaCl. NaCl. It will be coordination number will be 6.
Okay, 6 to 6, 1 sodium by 6 chloride ion, 6 chloride ion by 1 Cl by 6 sodium ion students. Okay. Examine the given defective crystal. This crystal is defective, he says.
Yes, sir.
Which is it is made up of two positive and negative, ionic type of crystal. What happened here? What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by the crystal student? First question.
पे A plus गायब है यहाँ पे B नहीं. It will be Schottky defect.
What is missing? This after B plus will be what? A
It
plus
should be
A plus missing.
A
What
plus
is
missing
missing
and
here?
B minus.
So A plus and B minus missing. Equal number of cations and anion missing. What defect is that?
A Schottky defect.
Schottky defect. Okay. Next question. How is the density of the crystal affected?
It decreases the density.
Number two, decreases the density student. Third, what type of ionic substance shows such defect?
It is shown by those ionic substances in which there is not much difference in the size of anion and cation. That
Almost
is, they are
equal
similar.
size of cations and anions.
Yes, sir.
Almost same size cations and anions. Example,
NaCl, KCl.
sometimes they ask example also in the paper, so you are getting full marks. Okay. Name the parameters that characterize a unit cell.
A, B, C, and alpha, beta, gamma.
What do you mean by A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma?
A, B, C is the dimensions along the three edges.
What do you call them?
A, B, C, which may or may not be perpendicular.
What do you call those dimensions, students? 6 parameters were given, student. What were those?
Its dimensions along the three edges A, B, and C, and then the angles between the edges alpha, beta, gamma.
What were they called? Axial angles.
Axial angles.
What were they called? Axial distances
Okay.
or edge lengths. The words are important. What I said, each word has a meaning. So be careful what answer we are giving. Exam mean the given defective crystal. In the above defect, is the above stoichiometric or non-stoichiometric defect?
Yeah, x plus 5 y. It is a stoichiometric defect.
What is missing?
ऊपर up in second line x plus is missing and in third line y minus is missing.
Then, okay. Write the term used for this type of defect. Give example of the compound which shows this. How does this affect the density? Important. Such questions are given in the paper.
It is a Schottky defect. Example is NaCl and it decreases the density.
Same type of story. Copper crystallizes with face-centered. Radius of the copper atom is calculated the density of the copper. One question on density is always given. I told you. Numerical is coming. Student on density. Again and again, I am giving numerical of density. Why? Because they will come. Sure.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula?
Density is equal to Zm upon A cube into Na.
Now here, what is why did we give picometer? And radius is given 127.8 picometer. What is this FCC?
FCC.
What is the relation? A is equal to,
2 root 2 r.
and what is the picometer? 10 minus 10.
10 minus 10 centimeters.
Okay, because density will be given in gram per centimeter cube. It is U. So you have to convert these unit conversions were required in this case. Such question is more important. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
One of the question is coming.
Okay.
Iron has BCC with dimension this density used to calculate Avogadro number. Now he is asking to calculate the Avogadro number. Is it, you can do it, same formula
Yes, sir.
density,
Yes, sir.
density formula. The density of copper is this, radius is 120 cm, copper is unit cubic cell. ठीक है, unit simple cubic body center or face center. Then what do you want to find in this question? Tell me. 27th.
If the radius of the copper, we will find Z in this case.
Z. I give you 1 minute if you can try.
Yes.
Important question. This question was given in the previous paper.
One 27. Here Z is coming as 4.
4.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of A we are using?
A here will be A is equal to 2 root 2 r. We'll take out A from here.
Where did he say that copper unit is the copper unit a simple cubic, BCC or face C? He has not mentioned what type of it.
So we'll take out all the 3
That
and
is the
then we
point.
have to
We have
calculate.
to use 3 and find the density.
Which will be the nearest one will be,
Find the density in three cases.
yes, sir.
One,
Which
z
will be the
equal to 1,
nearest
z
will be
equal to 2, z equal to 4.
to
And
4.
if the value comes the same, then that will be the type. Could you understand? The
Yes, sir.
question is put in a
Yes, sir.
different way. This is the radius given, not the A. So I have to use A equal to three relations. Na is known, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And then I will calculate the density. I will get D1, D2, D3 in these three cases. What matches with this value? That will be all
FCC one matches.
FCC matches. Questions could be put in a different way. Try to understand my point. Same thing, and they will ask you slightly different way. What is point defect? Describe two types of point defect, student. 1 mark question.
What is a point defect? Okay. Point defects are the irregularities or deviations from the ideal arrangement around a point.
How many types of point defects are there?
Point defects are basically of two types, stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric.
Okay. Stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric. So question could be put in any way. Student, try to understand it. This ends up our topic of solids. Then we will proceed to the next chapter. I hope you have been able to expose to all types of questions, and
Yes, sir.
you are aware of what type of possibilities are there, what type of numericals are coming. Variation, there is a variation in the numericals, that's all. Formula is same. So not big, only 2 3 type of formulas we are using all the time. Variables will be changed, type of question will be changed. A and R relationships are important, coordination number is important, and what type of defects are there, you are used to that. Every type of question has been covered by us, and they could be put in objective type or reasoning assertive type. ठीक है? So if we read each and every word carefully, each and every word I am saying, because the line will look same, then
Yes,
only you can give the correct answer. Tell me, right or wrong?
yes, sir.
Okay, be careful. Okay, then good night. I see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.